Hey filmmakers, welcome to the unboxing and product overview of the Camtree LED lighting kit. These are two LED lights with a 1000 watt equivalent each. You get one bag that holds two light stands and two bags that hold one LED panel each. Let's start with the light stands. They fold together in this very nice carry bag. When setting up the stands, we see that they have very nice spreading. These lights won't fall over that fast. We can extend these stands up to a beautiful 240 centimeters or 94 inches high. Next comes the LED lights. When opening the bag, the first thing we see is a filter map. In here we see a high quality CTO or orange filter and a soften filter. These can be slided in the LED panels, but we'll get to that later. Underneath this foam, we find the actual LED panel. It's made out of aluminum and they are very lightweight. On the back there are many holes in it so that the air can get through to keep the panels cool. But now let's attach it onto a light stand to have a closer look to it. On the front there are 4 barn doors. They are made out of a sturdy aluminum material and flap open with some drag to keep the barn doors nicely in place. Behind the barn doors on the right we can find a gap where we can slide in the filters. You can fit both filters in there if you like so. The panel can be tilted by loosening the knobs on the sides and fit into place by tightening them again. On the back of the LED panel we see a V-lock to power the lights with a professional battery, an on and off switch with a dimmer control, a fuse to secure your LED light from being overpowered, and a DC power connector. If you like to power the LED light with a V-mount battery, you have to plug in the attached cable in there. Or you can also use the included adapter with power cord. And you don't have to worry if the plug will fit into your wall. You get a universal adapter, so this thing goes into every power socket. Now let's power the LED light on. If you mistakenly plug this into an industrial 380 volt socket, well then no worries. The fuse will break to protect your light, and in the back you can find 2 extra fuses. And here are the 2 LED lights next to each other. I'm going to attach some V-lock batteries to them so that they are a bit more portable. And let's have a look at some nice light setups at what we can do with them. The first one is a basic 2-point lighting setup. We're going to place one light on the left side of the model's face. Now on the opposite side on her back, we're going to place the other LED light so that it shines on her right shoulder. Now this setup adds more dynamic because we're playing with shadows on her face and the backlight gives more depth to the scene. We can easily add more depth to this scene by adding the CTO filter to the fill light. Now the subject looks warmer than the background, which makes her pop out a lot more, as our eyes are always attracted to warm colors. For the next setup, we're going to create an artistic silhouette lighting. This time, place both LED lights on the side of the subject, one on the left and the other one on the right. Make sure they sit on the back of the subject and set the height of the lights to the same height as the subject. The result is even better in a completely dark room. This and hundreds of other creative looks can be created with the Camtree LED lighting kit. For more information, please contact the Camtree team. Thank you very much for watching.
Hey guys, my name is Richie Plunkett from the Proaim Geek and the Sin City, and today we're checking out the Camtree Hunt Swift Cage for the Canon EOS C series cinema camera or any DSLR camera. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a pro or just a beginner looking at improving your shots on set or on the go, a cage for your camera will do just that and add a ton of accessories while you're at it. Now, straight out of the box, shipped to you is everything pre-cut in a foam padding, which makes it really great for transport and ready for a case. Included is the camera cage, the quick release adapter, the 15mm rod adapter, as well as a top handle and two 300 and 200mm rods, and a camera lens support as well for those high camera bodies. Provided inside as well is an easy step-by-step guide on how to put everything together as well. The Camtree Hunt Swift Cage is a great cage for any camera and its size, which fits most cameras as well if you change the orientation if you want. Keep in mind though that this cage is specifically designed for the Canon EOS C series cinema camera, but can be used for any DSLR camera as well. Now, if you're looking for something more specific for your camera, head over to thesincity.com for more pro consumer camera accessories and equipment for your next production, big or small. My name has been Richie Plunkett from the Proaim Geek. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.